a press on, and also is really cool and it supports and share with the sub member, because a lot of you getting a different colors on the insert tips. No, it's press on tips. So it's gonna give you some fun idea to create it. And you know, a lot of you having this perfect combinations, ultimate crystal kit, perfect combination. That's the name of it. I love it so much. It's give me everything I would ask for. So maybe I would should I do this color then? This one is cool though. For a lot of you or a lot of clients love really a sample looks. I mean, don't want to be too much. This is going to be a perfect as well. So maybe I should do this one. Let me see, what do we have in here? How's everyone doing? Happy Tuesday. Oh, is that butterflies? I want the butterflies. This one is cool. It's kind of translucent. I like it a lot though. And I'm going to be filling in others like... So you can do... randomly. And then also with this kit is cool though. You can do all 10 nails in 10 different colors. Hold on, did I do top coat yet? Did I?
Why not?
Or did I just do top coat? Can you believe that I was like totally spaced out? We'll find out. I'm gonna continue to add them on. And then I did the oh yeah, I did the no, oh my god, it's so fast, and condensed glue gel, no wipe top coat. And then probably because I was so excited with the design. Hey, thank you so much, Dawn. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm just like probably, oh my god, I want to finish this now, then I can move on the next one. Quick and fast. And you can feel it's this nails, or you can just randomly doing it like an ombre fade look. So sparkles like... Have you ever have that like moments? I think like, how did I just start video and I did no wipe top coat and then condensed glue gel that fast? Alright, if you like it, leave it alone. If you want more, add more. But I want to get a little bit of a space because I just want to see the reflective of the gels from my Time to Shine collection. I just want to leave it a little bit of the effects underneath. That's the reason why I didn't want to cover everything. All right, so I'm going to do a flash cue for 30 seconds. That's it. Look at that. The two colors. This one, this look like clear AB, and this one like translucent. This one remind me a lot with the, what's the name of the kits that we have? Transcended crystal kits. All right, here, 30 seconds. So what other colors you want to see? I'm thinking about this one. But we're going to do Transcended Crystal Kit too. This one is cute too.